Some cars are bought, some are built, and some are destiny. In 1987, a teenage Jason Troilo spotted a wrecked 57 under a carport. 3 wheels, no floor. He told his dad. Joe Troilo got up from the dinner table and bought it that same night. Jason drove that 57 to high school. After seeing Scott Sullivan's Cheese Whiz 55 at NSRA Louisville, he came home and painted it PPG single-stage orange. The same paint still on the car today. Jerry Campbell added the ghost flames in 2005. At the 2021 Tri-5 Nationals, Joe said the car needed to last another 30 years. That was the trigger. A full ground-up rebuild on a new JW Rod Garage mandrel bent 2x4 tube frame chassis. Joe Troilo is a retired GM plant worker with over 40 years in Wilmington and 75 cars built, an NSRA 50-year honoree. During the rebuild, Jason visited almost every week, more than when he was a kid. The car had become the reason to be together. Under the hood, a Blueprint Engines LS3 376 cubic inches, 535 horsepower at the crank, 420 at the wheels, dyno verified. Backed by a TREMEC TKX 5-speed and a Curry Ford 9-inch rear. True Ram headers into MagnaFlow mufflers by Quality Enterprises. Up front, tubular independent arms, drop spindles, Mustang rack and pinion, Viking coilovers out back, Wilwood ventilated discs at all 4 corners with CPP hydrostop. Rocket racing boosters, 18 by 7 front, 20 by 8.5 rear, tiger paws. Inside, TMI gray leather, Daytona carpet, Giuliano belts, 1959 Impala wheel, Dakota digital gauges, Ron Francis wiring, vintage air. The dash is the original 1957 unit, factory clock in place, Chevrolet script intact. The custom short-throw shifter was built right at Troilo's Hot Rods, a cockpit that feels designed from the factory. That is the mark of a truly great builder. Joe Troilo knew the rebuild would end, and he said something that said everything. I was excited to have the project done, but Jason won't be coming up as much anymore. That is what this car really is. Not just a 1957 Chevy 150 with a 535 horsepower LS3. It is the reason a father and son had a standing appointment every week for years. It is the reason Jason says, I am proud to drive a car that he built. The 57 has been featured in Modern Rotting's April 2025 issue, Still the One. It has stood on the field at the NSRA East Coast Nationals in York, at the Tri-5 Nationals in Bowling Green, at Good Guys Dover, Good Guys Charlotte, Good Guys Columbus, and at Katie's Cars and Coffee, featured by the Rotters Journal. In 2025, both Joe's 1932 Ford Sport Coupe and Jason's 1957 Chevy appeared together on the NSRA East Coast Nationals poster. Father and son, side by side. The body has never been recut. The paint has never been resprayed. The Virginia 1957 plate, 334-330, has followed this car since the beginning. What never changes is the story. This is Jason Troilo's 1957 Chevrolet 150, built by his father Joe at Troilo's Hot Rods in Avondale, Pennsylvania. Bought on impulse, driven to high school, rebuilt into the 535 horsepower, 5-speed Ghost Flame machine you see here. Still the one, still going strong. Hit subscribe, more Restomod stories are coming. Thanks for watching.